beauty of the world has two edges, one of laughter, one of anguish, cutting the heart asunder. Virginia Woolf.
Don't you just love these long rainy afternoons when an hour isn't just an hour but a little piece of eternity dropped into your hands? And who knows what to do with it? Tennessee Williams. Very good. Very good.
Where y'all from?
We live in Casper, Wyoming.
In English, V-I...
VIH.
V-H.
We know there is what is the worst disease in the world. In Spanish is SIDA, but in English I don't know how it spells. I don't remember.
The worst disease in the world.
Yes, the
Hatred.
worst.
Hatred.
Hate.
Hatred. For me. we have killed 100 million of our own species in 100 years. We killed 100 million with guns.
Hi, I'm Kay from Minnesota. We picked these two guys up. It was great meeting you guys.
Same temperature as Barton Spring.
Imagine how much snow is on that mountain in the winter.
With Jim Leary, and I was part of that. And for 3 years, it was not only legal, but it was respectable because
I'm Janice Bowling from Clearwater, Nebraska.